So guys, handy with Elite Force. We're back in the range today. Show you the fully licensed H&K MP5 A4 by Elite Force. In every box, you get your owner's manual, you get your warranty and registration cards. Make sure you fill these out, send them back. You get a full 1-year replacement warranty on that. Don't miss out on that. Every gun comes with a 200-round high-cap mag. Every gun comes with an additional metal flash hider as well. The guns themselves are complete with metal upper receivers, nylon fiber lower receivers, and stocks. It does have a metal barrel, HK front and rear sights, front and rear sling points, a functional charging handle which does expose your hop-up unit, ambidextrous switches. Internally, this is a top tech all metal gearbox with all metal gears. Show you guys how to access your battery. Simply press down on the rear plate, pull this away. This exposes your wires. For this particular gun, we do recommend a 9.6 volt battery. Simply plug it in into the back of the stock. Make sure when you push these in that you get them clear so that nothing gets cut or crimped. Place your plate back on. Pop it back into place. You're ready to go. There you go, guys. There you go, guys, the fully licensed HK MP5 A4 by Elite Force. You can find it online or at your local Elite Force dealer. Thanks.